This is Charlie Stocker with Hey Garden Guy, where you can present questions to us on our website, heygardenguy.com, or on the Facebook page, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, or YouTube, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker. Submit them. We will answer them in a short period of time and give you the correct answer. Sometimes we have to research, so we both raise our garden IQ as you ask the questions as well. We have a question here from Marsha, and she's had an ongoing argument with her husband Mark about when is the best time to prune evergreens. Now, she doesn't say what type of evergreen, but I just want to look at basically the evergreens as a whole. Evergreens are considered coniferous, and strictly biologically speaking, that means they store their food in the needles. Whereas deciduous means they store their food in the roots. Those are the ones that lose their leaves. When is the best time to trim an evergreen? Let's look at white pine. Let's look at Colorado blue spruce. Let's look at a lot of the arborvitaes. And here's a simple rule of thumb which will take all the guesswork out of when to trim them, okay? And this goes for use to the Taxus varieties as well. Now hear me out, when the new growth is the same color as the old growth, let me say that again, when the new growth is the same color as the old growth, that is the time you will get your best bud sets for the following year if you trim at that particular time. Also know that when you prune, the less you prune to a point, the more effective your pruning actually is. So many people we see out there trim very strictly, and they create a shape, and that seems to say to them that they're doing the right thing. Well, it's actually the wrong thing to do. The less you trim a plant and allow it to be and develop its own shape that Mother Nature provided, the more healthy that plant's going to be and the more attractive it's going to be. So remember, when Mark is the best time to prune, it's when the new growth is the same color as the old growth. This is Charlie Stocker, heygardenguy.com, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, raising your garden IQ one question at a time.